Oh.
Yeah.
On EA, the sellers got ambushed at the 786.
Bounce. Oh my god, look at that rejection.
It's disgusting. I need to wait for that low to fill a bit first, otherwise it's just gonna leave me.
Yeah.
You know, for Mola.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
I went to the toilet. GJ is flying.
Yeah. Right. Hello, YouTube.
YouTube is on.
I just done them. Yeah, I'm not gonna chase this. How to enter? Stop loss is damn big. Brr.
Damn.
Wow, nice one, Max. Ooh, go flipped. Respected. The 4 hour lower wick. No. I respected the 4 hour lower wick.
Damn.
What time do I post my trading idea? Around 10 a.m. my time. So that's 10 a.m. GMT plus 8. A.m. GMT. Let's see. 2 a.m. GMT. So convert accordingly. But I think if you just follow the page, it will notify you when I post. So you don't really need to care about the timing. Basically the first 4 hour close in Asia. Then within the hour I usually will look at the candle and then try to look at price action for the day. Yeah, it could, Eden. That's why I'm holding off on the shorts first. If it could push past this daily resistance and then continue to the 78. So I'm just chilling first. Monte Carlo is Andy, is it? Is it you, Andy? How come you saw 200? How do you see 152, 200? My next one is 600.
It was my invalidation when I bought the previous wave.
Oh, okay.
Thing around here.
On the daily, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, that one.
Wait. Eh, but this is 152.070. What?
But below this candle here. Oh. This candle here. I don't know what number was it.
Yeah, 200 plus.
150, 30. Yeah, something like that.
That is your bullish target.
Yeah, the first one, 151, 500. And it's tapped already.
It burst through already.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the next one.
Why not 600?
Yeah, maybe it can be go that far. I'm not sure.
Clear this 152 daily high first. But it should be. Look at the bullish momentum, is damn strong.
Maybe we can pull back like to 150, 600. And then maybe buy again from there.
Yeah.
Now the 4 hours is too big.
Yep. 1 hour is too big also. No way I'm chasing this.
Oh yeah.
For gold, I'm not confident in the longs also. Even though it failed and is failing to break, but then I'll let it go first. Singapore time, Peter, I think around 11 AM should be safe Singapore time. But like I said, if you follow the page, right, it will alert you when I post. So, easier. Because I don't know how long I take to analyze every day. Then you're still in AU? Is it still flying? Ooh! Wow, Aiden's AU long idea is like going to the moon really. Damn.
AUD in 2021 can break all the highs. Trust.
Yeah.
I saw that in AUDGPY.
AUD AJ used to be my favorite pair to trade, man. Last time when I first started.
Yeah,
I
me
love-
too.
Yeah, I love this.
That's how I still analyzing it sometimes.
It's like if I don't trade GJ last time, I will trade AJ.
I
But
do
then
like
after that,
AJ and AU, but they pretty slow.
they're slower than AJ is slower than GJ, but it's still quite nice to trade.
Yes, respecting structure.
And yes, volume. Gold looks like it's ranging. Is there news today? Nothing much. Yeah, Alexi. That's why buys are too high, sells not yet. So I'm just going to chill first.
Struggling to find areas to buy. I think I need to drop back to the 4 hour maybe, and I'll see, but I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not gonna force any more trades in here.
Come on, EA, pull down a bit more.
Don't look left. Always wait for a pullback before you buy. If you want to buy high, just reduces your range and increases your stop loss. So that's who Freighter was talking to.
I'm afraid to say that to someone.
No, Freighter said no shit Sherlock to somebody who asked whether wait for pullback. Yes, always. What goes up has to pull back to go even higher if that's your direction. But the way I'm seeing this, I'm uncomfortable trading long. Which means I'm just going to chill. Because yesterday the 4 hour pushed. This area pushed up, slowed down. Now it's continuing to push again without any pullback. So I don't like this behavior. So I'll wait for this impulse to stop. Then I'll take the shots. Yeah, I don't see areas to buy also. Unless you want to chase it. Even if my target is 150 to 600, I'm not going to chase this. Because if I get stopped here, I want to slap myself so hard.
Where is chicken tikka masala?
Walking Clico.
Oh.
Even on Go, even though yesterday this area is a place that I want to buy, and even though this candle is bullish engulfing, I did not execute my buys because this bullish engulfing failed to break this high. So I'm waiting. If the 1 hour can form another support, then I'll consider. If not, then I won't touch Go, because it could still very well come down lower to this previous daily resistance here. So I'm a chill. GJ could very well go higher. Look at the daily. Look at this nice big candle. Did I catch anything in New York yesterday? Yeah, a loss.
Oh.
Hmm?
I'm waiting for safer buys above here.
Okay, next year.
Next minute, more like. Look at the buyers.
Did you say all the way at the top of the range?
Yeah.
I think this next candle, the next few candles should come down, pull back a bit. You might want to kind of test this resistance here. So if it respects this low, for the longs, when it pulls back, then you have a potential to continue higher. Pull down, respecting the lows, continue up.
Oh, what the fuck?
chart. Look at this. This
It's like when it feels like time has stopped, but time hasn't stopped. Damn, some on the board. This. What did it do? Oh wow. do 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 do. Yeah, just clean now. Oh man. Clumsy.
I realized I was muted. Anyway, Mohammed, yes, you should know where your stop loss should be. Anyway, I'm not looking for longs, so today I'm just going to chill because this, I don't like how for 4 hours has been. I'm too late already for the longs, so I'll just wait until I get my sell signals. But for those that are looking to buy, price should not break this breakout candle low, and after it comes down and forms a higher low for you to continue buying. So this is the analysis. 159.52. Yeah, that's why I prefer to wait for the shots. Like this area here, or this move here is difficult for me to trade, because I see the potential of it doing this kind of thing also. This one here, like this, it pushed up, kept pushing. Then when it retraced, then I'll try to get in on this kind of pullback. But other than that now, I only can see. I prefer to wait for shots. So 952, I think you're looking at this resistance here, right? Somewhere around here. Possibly. Ooh, traded the... Nice catch, Breezy. On the breakout also. Yeah, I'm watching this 1 hour to close. But this one I'm definitely not taking this long, don't worry Aiden. I'd rather not trade than take this long. But for those people that want to trade this and they still think there's upside, this should not break, that's all I'm saying. Damn annoying. It keeps happening like this.
I'm telling you, rub your forehead. It works.
I rubbed it already, bro. It didn't work.
Rub again with Vicks.
I don't have Vicks. Vicks is not even hot anymore.
Yeah, I know, right? when I was a kid, yeah, that shit used to work like perfectly. Then I got old. It's like, wow.
It's not hot at all. I think they changed the recipe.
Yeah. Like less mentholated.
Yeah. Yeah, Andy. It was early again. Ooh, go fleet.
Oh. Gold is on fire.
What the fuck?
Yep. So for those that are following my goal idea that I post every day, yes, this is the entry because I already stated it here. If it closes as support, it did. Respects the low, enter long. So it's all explained here. Who is hormonal? I think if you see it's 1800, right, then you can swing this because the stop loss is damn big. It's like 80 pips if you put it below the previous 4-hour low. So this area here, 1800. Could have taken when the 15 bearish close. These candles look the same as my broker though. Like this, the only candle that is possible for buys now is this one. Before that I didn't see buys. Like this 50, I mean just based on the 15 it looks a bit weak. I would have only considered the 4-hour flip. The currency strength meter say GBP is very weak. I think your currency strength meter is a bit spoiled. Don't use it as an indicator for your trades because that thing is not a live update. There's lag. Oh. How's the pound week? GU, everything is going up. GBP cat. Bullish, pullback. Don't trust it. Yeah. It's like indicators, it prints after because it's a calculation. So you cannot use that to enter your trades. The currency indicator anyway. It's either it respects the 50 just now earlier, right? Well, let's see. Respects the 50, respects the 4-hour short. That was my first area to short. The second area is this area. But it pushed down before I could do anything. Because I was waiting for the hour to close. But now it's closing already. So within the 50 and the 60. That's where I'm looking for shorts.
A lot of the wick could be filled next hour though. Could even like close somewhere on around the 50 and then the far top will get filled.
Yeah. So it's like I always enter around like between the 50 the 61. And usually it's correct, it's just damn early. So I'll hit my stop loss first, then after the next one more or less works.
Let me make sure I have no TPs. Okay, good.
I don't think it's so much about the 61 feet, but it's also because this is a daily high. If you can see my grey line at 152, this is the previous daily high that I was looking at to be respected for this if I'm looking for the pullback shot. Because this thing cannot keep going up, right? It's weird. I mean, never say never, but I'm expecting a pullback before it can go up again. So for me, to expect a pullback is if price can respect the daily. So it's just nice it coincided with the 61. It might sometimes coincide with the 78, so it depends. Yeah, I see this resistance also on the 4 hour. Resistance 1, 2, 3. So if the hourly closes bearish, next one fails to break the high, could be possible for the shorts.
Yeah, 4 hour is key now.
The 4 hour close.
Because this bearish candle in 1 hour can just be a pullback. If we break this 4 hours low, then I'm aiming to get like 150, 500.
Oh, Monte Carlo, Mongolian. I started the trend.
You started.
And yeah, I think GJ now the 4 hour intraday levels are not really holding already. Got to look in the daily and above, right?
Yeah, that's why I'm aiming to like 150 to above. Probably weekly lower high.
Yeah. But pull back first.
Yeah, can be not. Not sure about the pullback. We are playing with the 4 hour structure now. Oh, I met this in private, Missouri in Discord. No, I met something yesterday, but I put it as private and then share in public.
Oh.
Get it to me.
One hour bullish.
I think if you are ready to, because look at AU is super bullish, and look at the higher time frame.
5.
It already is closing above this area now on the 4 hour and the daily. I mean the 4 hour already closed above. So if the next one can close above this, there's no reason why you should not leave a runner, especially since you already took profits. So aim for the highs. You got everything to gain, nothing to lose. Alexi talking about your EA, is it?
Yeah.
Mine is opposite, mine is blue.
Oh, yeah.
So I was like, I'm confused.
No, it was damn daunting. Just trying to concentrate and then execute while this kind of just big and red in my face. I'm trying to go along.
Wow, Andy, your chart last warning. Is your chart serious? Or is it troll?
No, it's serious.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
But I didn't share it in public because
People won't get it.
Maybe.
So disrespectful. The man sent his chart and said, "Oh, your chart's true."
No, because this is the first time I'm seeing so many things on Andy's chart. That's why I'm like, huh? Andy put words?
Wow, she called you illiterate. You can't speak. You can't type. If my name was Andy, I wouldn't have it.
Give you a like.
Alexei?
What did he do?
Nothing, I just want to season.
I think he went off for a while.
Oh, Alexi, you just ignored me. Really?
I think he doesn't have his headphones on.
He's going to the gym.
Probably. He doesn't have his headphones
Click
on, I
shut
think. That's why. We cannot hear you.
Can you hear Clico?
Is the postman here?
Wow, 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 wow.
Click call my baby.
If it fails to break 151,500, I will take buy. I'm not buying. I'm just saying that people who want to trade like for a few pips, because I know some people trade like 10 pips and stuff like that, there is potential here. If it forms a higher low, respecting this area, you can consider buys, but I'm not taking buys. It's just an idea. Yeah, the next, I prefer to wait for shorts because I don't like this extended move on GJ. I think there will be some kind of pullback before it continues higher. Then it's healthy enough to go up. Catching it now is buying at an extreme high. Could it go higher? Yes, it can. It can even go to 152,600. So if you see that potential based on this move here, then you can continue buying to this area. For me, I see this potential, but I'll wait for it to come down first before I buy to this area. So, preference. Maxine, Maisa talked to you just now. You ignored her.
I wasn't here. I was in the toilet.
I don't believe you. I could hear you breathing.
So you heard me breathing what, like a minute ago?
Man, when you're breathing, the whole neighborhood knows.
Yeah, bro.
You know what I think it is? It's because mic is directly in line of like where the air will go.
What is the minimum number of pips I look for? I don't have a minimum. I go for
100.
RR rather than pip, number of pips.
100.
I haven't even hit 100 in a very long time. Number of pips doesn't mean anything. RR means more than number of pips, to be honest. What are you looking for, Andy? Why are
He's
you
looking for love.
I'm looking for a hug.
Oh.
Oh. Same.
And then yeah.
What day is it today? Tuesday. Depression Tuesdays.
I think she is last time from what I remember, she comes in like 1 hour before the Raja time starts. So that's the time I usually hop off. Don't really want to be around at that time.
Yeah, she's only free when Raja is on.
Yeah.
I think she's East Coast.
When Raja is off, not free yourself, Morowa.
Wow.
Flipping.
This area is interesting. I'll wait for the 4 hour to close before I take anything. If I
No.
manage to take anything. If not,
Don't
then
wait.
yawn.
And look at gold. Pull back to 1773.
GG.
Damn. Open signal.
1773?
Andy.
But are you in gold?
Yes.
Wait, what?
1773? Where? Isn't it above?
Wait, hold on.
No, don't hold on.
1773 is like close to where I entered.
Oh, you took on the 4 flip.
Yes. I was very lazy to think at the bottom. So I waited for it to flip on top.
Wow. Wow. What the fuck? Damn. Guys, she bought high.
Damn.
Must crucify her.
Okay.
How are you gonna buy high? What the fuck?
Bro, high is when it breaks the wick.
I know, I'm joking. Calm down, don't kill me. Let me channel this before I dip.
I'm screwed.
Close now.
Close my MT5.
I mean, could do that. Wait, did you show your flip again?
The person that comes before 1 hour before Raja is irrelevant. I don't think you're getting the point, Muhammad. You're asking the wrong questions, man. Like, person is irrelevant. Damn.
Disgust. Let me delete. Can't delete. Can't delete.
Delete what?
Nothing. Okay, can't delete. It will stay there for eternity. Any US news?
No.
Oh, not really. Just minor things.
Tomorrow there is CPI on the pound during the London session. So, gotta be careful tomorrow.
Should have put more trust in the fib on EA. Okay, I'll note that as well.
Was that a daily or like 4-hour fee?
Oh no, I trusted that fib, but I drew a 15-minute fib as well. I should have put more trust in it. Because I entered a bit above it. I didn't trust it a lot. But it bounced like perfectly for it. So I'm just gonna note it down. It was a 2 candles back 15.
Or shorts or long? Long, right?
Long.
GA.
Guys,
Hmm?
I will be vaccinated.
Damn. Let me know if you grow like a third arm or some shit.
I have microchip.
Don't need microchip. Already have phone.
Guys.
Hmm?
If it is not real.
Wow. He's on YouTube, but you can't say that word.
Yeah.
Chicken tikka, mesala.
May salah.
The problem with GA is it's still bearish. It's like lower highs all the way. Daily also formed the lower high. If it bounces off the 61, I think you're looking for the lower high, right, Swimmers?
Oh, GA. Remind me of someone.
Your best friend.
Your brother.
Vomit.
Well, that's what he said.
Where? When? Bro.
Bro.
I see you like a big sister.
Yeah. See? Confirm.
Ooh, it's 2 conferences against 1. You lose L.
Vomit. Don't make me vomit. Food is expensive.
Wait,
Not in
take a
Singapore. Go hawker center. Is it really expensive?
No.
Exactly.
Didn't he wipe his whole account on one trade? No, he didn't. You know why?
What?
He full margin his account for 1 pip.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he full margin his account for 1 pip. Lame.
That was fucking funny.
Yeah. And he flexed about it. I was like, what the fuck? I saw the MT5. I was like, huh? Did I see wrongly? I went to look again at the stop loss.
I saw the stop loss and I saw the lot size. I was like,
Yeah.
Guys,
Hmm?
don't do that. Don't do that to robot trader.
Watching the account for 1 pip. Fucking hell. Okay, bounce of the 87.86 after breaking the low at is this?
The algo not even his.
Is he still streaming?
I don't know, I forgot the channel name. I thought he said he wanted to zoom. Also never zoom. Lame.
And Shang.
I think because of Luke.
Yeah, like why would you want to stream when someone else is already streaming? If that's not your intention, right? Your intention is just to provide a platform. Then why you want to start another platform? Just support the other guy's platform then.
Just mon. That's the solution to everything. Someone trying to rob you, just moan in their face. They'll look at you funny and get scared and run away.
Oh no. See, this is what happens when you fight Andy.
Oh no, Mayday. Oh, Mayday. Mayday.
Mayday.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Imagine fighting Andy. Maybe I should buy with L and we can all fight and then none of us win once again.
Then you save me from my loss? At least a BE. Okay.
I don't think the account's big enough, madam.
Quick. Close your live account, go and buy a FTMO with whatever account you can, whatever you can put together.
But then that's demo. What's the largest account again? What, 300k? Or 100k?
200
Oh.
times, but the total amount you can get from FTMO is 400.
Oh, so 200 accounts.
Max. Nah, YouTube money is shit, man. AdSense is shit. I don't even bother with it.
AdSense can buy you like... It can buy you chocolate from a corner shop.
Andy, I got a new channel for you to throw already.
Why you always his bad habits?
This guy also scam me.
What? What did you say?
What?
Nah,
I don't know.
I'll show you something.
I know him.
Yeah. He takes
It's from
Monty's idea, then he take it as his own.
Oh, what's that? What's that thing on the left side of the screen? Yeah.
Then see who's the mod. Your favorite.
Oh, we got one dislike on the stream. Let me make it 10.
Let's go. David Alpheus is on every other stream. Remember, he was the law student that was studying, and then we told him to chill. He's going on all the 10 pip streams.
Oh, him.
Yeah.
Good luck to him, I guess.
How much does YouTube pay live streamers? I can show you. It's disgustingly low. I don't even earn anything from it that's worth my time. So I don't even bother with the AdSense. It's just monetized automatically. Let's see. See? In the last 28 days, $84. Fuck that shit, man. So if you're doing this for the YouTube money, then you're in it for the wrong reasons. YouTube payment is enough to pay your mortgage. Yeah, when you have 100k and then people donating, of course you can pay your mortgage. There's 3,000 people on the stream. Yeah, probably.
Okay, time to go gym. Where's my socks? Fuck.
How
You're
do
not
you know
gonna...
he stole the idea?
Hmm?
How do you know he stole the idea of Monty?
Idea?
The
How?
idea, the Monty's idea.
Because
We caught him in 4K.
Yeah, the guys inside caught him. He asked his question. He don't have his own idea. He asked, so he doesn't know his trade, right? Why he lost on the trade? He gonna ask Monty. Then he come back and tell people on his stream. What the fuck?
Bruh.
Yeah. That's why the guys inside think he's a hypocrite.
I lost interest to see stream when they show Magic Keys
Yeah,
in the front page.
yeah. Because yesterday someone went off on his thing. Like scolded him. Because he openly sold his mentorship and blah blah blah. Then someone got pissed off.
Hmm? What's going on? What happened?
Nothing.
I FOMO, tell me.
I live on the 21st floor, but it's not a penthouse. It's far from that. Hindi Mayday. We never wait for target. Then what's the reason for the target? What's the reason for closing? When it gets close to it, you exit. Okay. But you also realize that that is also what causes you to miss out on the rest of the move, right? Even though you read the direction correctly. And that's what you have been saying that you missed. Yeah. So what's the reason for closing? I don't see any invalidation of your trade. This is bearish. It didn't even break support on the 1 hour. Didn't even break the previous 1 hour low. Sure, it's at your 61, but I don't know. Doesn't mean it's close, I think. But I mean, if you're uncomfortable, then yeah. Am I still on my go longs? Yes, I am. Esther, you gotta manage the trade your own way, yeah. I'm planning. I set this with a 80 pip stop loss because for me, the 4 hour structure and the next candle holding the support and then flipping was my confirmation for longs. So if you agree with that confirmation for longs, then you should still be in the trade.
Auntie. Auntie, I just realized.
Wait, what?
I just realized you was a finnet just now.
You just realized what?
A fin. Okay, I go gym. See you guys later.
I didn't even hear a single word you said, bro. All I heard was
I
you
said-
panting.
Wow. I said I
Alexi just
go. Miss your legging. I go
No.
gym. Go ahead.
go gym already.
Wow.
Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.
Love you,
R.I.P..
Alexi.
That's kept. Okay, bye.
What's Alexi laughing at? Didn't get it.
FOMO.
Yeah, I'm FOMO. Bro, I'm bored. I'm not doing anything now. So I don't even have entries. Boring. Waiting for the file to close.
Is Alexi gone?
I think so.
Damn. Wanted to tease some more.
Hey Mike, how is HFX stream? What do I think of Raja Banks? He's a YouTube streamer. Prater, if I change that title, right, and then I open our GJ chat, I'm gonna get so many dislikes. Am I back in my winning streak? Nope. I'm just floating around break even. Oh, Luke's stream must have ended. Yeah, whoever just now said this thing is going up and ask us to watch and see. That's not very helpful. Analysis. Watch and see is like telling me, oh, gold is gonna go up. Duh. Did I take a trade on gold? Yes, I'm in drawdown. I took it when... So this is the 4-hour chart. So if you guys are following on Tradingview, you'll know why I took this. 4-hour respected my 61 on this area of support. I didn't enter just now when this thing closed because it failed to break this. But when this next candle made a lower wick and then failed to break the previous 4-hour low and flip bullish above here, I took a small entry long to go up to 1800. Stop loss below the 4-hour week low at 1765 on go. Here, below this. So if you don't understand the trade, don't take it. Yeah, I'm still in drawdown. Gold is not really pushing. Doesn't seem like it's gas yet. Plus, if you look at the 1 hour, price is ranging now, so give it a lot of time. What? Push where? Push up, Ken.
Sorry.
Huh?
Let's go to the downside.
Fuck. Screwed. I'm dead. I don't know about the 5 men. Depends on how far you want to take it, I think. Why am I taking this trade in London session? Why not New York session? Because the setup appeared. Why must I take it in New York session? I'm swinging that. It's a 80 pip stop loss. I can afford to give it time. So if you want to trade it in New York session, then that is part of your plan. Why not Asia? Yeah, gold moves in Asia also. Volume isn't what you all preach. I don't scalp. Forex Buffalo, I think you haven't been on my streams for a while. I don't scalp anymore. I just strictly stuck to day trading and holding my trades for swings. I do not scalp. If you scalp, then volume is very important. Yeah. And you all, I think you're talking about other people, not me.
I was really tempted to.
Forex Buffalo, number 1, I don't have a gulag. Number 2, they're not going crazy. They're just telling you that the question is irrelevant. Go. Yeah, I saw this also, Matthias. Like, this area here is the 4-hour zone, right? I saw multiple rejections here also. That's why I gave it a shot on the longs. But I also do see the lower high still being created, so I don't think it's ready yet, but there is still a potential of it going up again. Just right now I gotta give it space to just chill inside this area. Yeah, I don't call my YouTube chat gulag because I think it's disrespectful. Just a personal thing. I don't really think it's funny actually. Looking for the clean candles, right, Nadim? You're gonna go up here. You should have entered already, I think. Oh, no. The candle is too big. Are you intending for it to go higher? What happened to the Forex family? Thought saying Gulag was your thing. I never once called my YouTube chat Gulag. In fact, I said it multiple times before that I do not agree with it. And I might be his student, but I don't do a lot of things that he does. In fact, I've even cut off giving my Zoom for free in the Forex family Slack. So I think that should say something. Can I look at GU? What are you looking for, October? GU is at a previous daily resistance right now, so if you're going long, just let it. It hasn't broken and closed above, so just be careful if you're going long. What are you looking for? Because right now, right, if you look at the 4 hour, you cannot buy this. Look at the candles. Big, 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 small. People are waiting to short this for the pullback, then continue higher. But until that happens, buying here is quite dangerous. So at least look out for short signal so that you can sell the pullback. It's a prime area to sell already anyway. It's the same thing as GJ now. So I'm waiting for this 4 hour to close. It hasn't broken my previous daily high. It's respecting my previous 4 hour zone also. So I might consider shorts if my setup presents. Am I still using XM? Forex Buffalo, I think you have the wrong stream eh. Everything you're saying is like not me. I don't call the chat Gulag. I never in my entire life use XM. I think XM is a scam. I think you're talking about the broker, right? Did you get the wrong girl? I don't think so, I'm the only girl. How do you change from equity to fixed lot on Magic Keys? No, you don't press the button. You go into the settings and you change under the settings. I forgot what's the... Yeah, I don't use Magic Keys anymore, but it's inside the settings. There is a drop down menu where you can choose a lot size, enter by fixed lot size or by percentage. It's a drop down. Yeah, it's not a button. Welcome. You're pretty bullish. Yeah, I think if you're bullish, then either you wait for the pullback, or if you feel uncomfortable trading into the pullback here, then you can wait for break retest above also. Then at least your stop loss won't be so big if you're bullish on the pair. What broker do I use? I've always been using Pepperstone. I hope you're not using XM. Let's look at their spreads. Ultra low standard accounts. Let's see. This should be something like their ECN equivalent. Well, this is not 0. It's close to 0, but it's not 0. So that's my first benchmark. If EU cannot even be 0, then forget it. GJ
What
is
broker is that?
XM.
On
Nah.
spread
Bro.
is too big.
Yeah, EU not even 0. Fly kite. Why don't I use magic keys anymore? Because I have something better to use. I don't even promote it anymore. I used to, but I don't anymore. Wow, Andy, that's damn lame. What do I think of scraping a 10 pips buy if current 30-minute flips bullish to test the highs? I think, to be honest, if you already said you want to scrape 10 pips, I think you should not take the trade. Oh no, Savannah, it's okay. I don't promote it, doesn't mean I don't know how to use it. It's okay. I just actively do not promote it for certain reasons. But I know how to use it, so it's fine. I even took off my tutorial video already. What's the tool that's better than magic keys? My tool. I have my own tool. Just have not promoted it yet. But I stopped magic keys not because I have my own, not because I want to sell my own tool, but it's more like I do not agree with the price point anymore. And I don't, yeah, it just keeps going up and up and up. What the hell? It's damn expensive. I cut ties with Forex family. No, I didn't cut ties. I just didn't post my link. It doesn't mean I cut ties. Who is broker guy? Go is Mayday, Andy. He's coming down for you. Damn. I don't want to fight you already. You broke the low. The 1000 lots guy. The 1000 lots guy disappeared. He never came back.
Who is it?
Remember that time there was one person that blew his account? Because of signals.
Everyone I sell blew their accounts.
It was good for a buy, but why is it still coming down? See, I'm very near to my stop loss already, swimmers. I think the bearish pressure is still there. It's not ready to go up yet.
Earlier this morning that we said go back to 17,730 to create 4 hours lower high.
17 what again?
17,773, sorry. 1773. If you see from the 1 hour, it can pull back to fill the wick.
This one here, this week.
Hmm.
So pull up, then come down lower.
Yeah, that's what I saw. But
Because
it all
it's
depends
still lower
also
highs.
this-
And it failed to
even
break
if you're
this.
looking at the even if you're looking at the 1 hour, right?
This is the daily. Eh, shit, wait. No, this is the 4 hour. This one, oh, this red one here.
Which one?
Wait ah. This one, the red one. This is the 4 hour high. As long as price didn't break it, you're still bearish, is it? That's why you're looking for the
No,
pullback into this week.
Let's look at the bullish candle. It's already lower high.
But this was after.
No, that's before you enter, right? In which candle you enter?
This one should be the bullish one. Because it flipped the 4 hour. Should be this one. The one that put back to your 73 and then came down. That's the one that flipped the 4 hour.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, it was just this is my 4 hours area over here. This high. And then before this candle happened, right? We went down, but it's not really convincing.
Yeah.
So I do expect for the price to pull back here, and then you see the rejection over here, respecting this high, in my opinion. I think there is a possibility to go up, but I think need to wait a little bit more.
But the sellers are pushing the price lower and lower already. So it's quite clear who has...
Yeah, because based on structure, I think it's still bearish. But if you're looking at the bigger time frame, it's still bullish. So you are in the middle of transition over here. So yeah.
Yeah, what's up on GG?
I just read Discord. Is still in L?
Go? Yeah. It's just ranging, I think. I mean, because for me, right, the fact that the 4-hour candle came down just now, and then it flipped bullish after holding the previous 4-hour low, which is also this 4-hour resistance. To me, if the bullish trend is still intact, it should hold this structure. Because if it comes down lower, right, there is a risk that it will fall even lower, then it will turn around already and it will go back down to 1680. Because the higher time frame is still bearish.
Yeah. I mean, if you're looking at the 4 hours, this is what we see often on GJ. The bullish candle is a pullback to create a lower high of this candle. So the range is actually here, right? And the tiny candle, and then going down into bullish. So we could have sold it from here, but obviously it was in Asia.
No, previously it wasn't. These last two candles is London. The latest one I think can sell.
The blue candle?
The blue one is the pre-London close, right? 6 a.m. This one you can sell this one.
Yeah. What I'm saying is, like, if we haven't broken this, then it's still basically bearish. But I get your point that you try to bought it from the bottom.
No,
because
that's the
if you see
problem.
1 hour.
I didn't buy it from the bottom. That's the problem.
Really?
I show you. I bought it when it flipped on the body.
Oh.
Yeah. If I bought it from the bottom, I won't be my stop loss won't be so big. Because for me, right, I wanted it to really show that it could come up and pass the body. Because it's been playing at this area just now. It came down, then it went up again. It came down, then it went up again. It was playing within the bullish candle just now. So for me, I waited for it to really push up. Then I bought it. Yeah, so I didn't take it from the bottom.
Hold on. Why did you put your stop loss today?
4-hour low. Because if this one breaks, right, I see gold coming down to this area, 1748. So I don't need it to break this. Because this is already 78.6 for me already. If I show you my feed. It was a
daily,
daily
right?
flip, I think. Yeah, daily, yes. Because if it really breaks this, then I'm screwed either way. This thing is coming down. And I don't want to be inside on my longs. Which brings you to your point that I could cut this trade. By the time New York session kicks in, I will cut the trade. I will not cut the trade, I'll hit my stop loss, which means my idea is invalid and this thing is coming down. Because my threshold for buys is here. It cannot break this for me. If not, my idea is wrong. So if it hits my stop loss, my idea is wrong. So Forex Buffalo, I think we have a different trading plan. Being in drawdown doesn't mean you need to cut the trade.
In which 1 hour candle you in?
On go?
Yeah.
The bullish one, the one that you say you pull back. Should be this one. The one that pulled back for you to 1773.
Oh, so you readjust your stop loss.
Readjust?
Where was your original stop loss?
No, my original stop loss was below the 4 hour low. The bullish one. Yeah. Yeah, it was already here. I didn't tighten. You thought I was here? Like the lower...
No, I was a bit confused because you entered before this low. So you don't really put tight below the wick?
No, never. Especially on gold, man. I give it, because sometimes it wicks up and down and then the direction is still correct. I give it a bit of space. Even on GG, I don't put it tight to the wick also. I plus 2 pips. Yeah, I know. But the thing is, you read the structure well, you see. So you know that the area, either way, if it doesn't hit, more often than not, you are right. But for me, my entry is not as tight as yours. Yeah.
No, it's also for the spread, right?
Yeah.
Right.
I think that guy got caught up before on Raja's stream, if I'm not wrong. I remember the name. Andy. Lambu. Mr. Lambu.
Huh?
You asking who, right? Mr. Lambu.
Who is Lambu?
You go and see.
Lambu?
Only got one only.
Discord.
You go and see. Okay, never mind. I don't have a Twitter account. Oh, they're still on the stream. I thought they would be off already. Today they stream longer. Damn, I got scammed. You could still feel the wick though, Aiden. Feel the wick lower high. This zone got a lot of confluence to sell. 4-hour zone, daily high. Oh shit, where's my feet? Weekly 61. Indeed, the 4-hour creating lower highs is not enough for you, right? For it to break the bullish move up.
What pair?
GG.
What do you mean not enough? To sell or to buy?
To sell.
Nice. No. Not. It's too low.
No, obviously not now, but I'm saying like this thing creating lower highs on the 1 hour. Then when it pulls back, would you take the shots?
If it goes back to the high, yeah. But it all depends on how it moves to the upside. At the moment, I think buy is more convincing. Still no sell pressure.
Yep. The 1 hour bearish candle also. Push down, then after that, no more. The next one close bullish.
1 hour is still bullish. Needs another push.
Yeah, it could be another higher low on the 1 hour.
Yeah.
GU looks nice, but I'll let it create another lower high first, because right now there's this minor support here holding. This area here on GU is still holding, I think. I think someone was looking for 10 pips in this area, right? Now that 1 hour already formed the higher low, if you waited for the flip, you can take this clean candle here, that's like 20 plus pips if you are trading 10 pips only. Personally, I won't be trading really. This thing needs to stop its bullish impulsive move up first before I can consider taking any trades. Later, you want 11? Can. I think this range got enough for you. 12 also can. Anyway. Yeah. 10.5 also can. You want 8 also can. I think on GU, if this 1 hour structure can break below this area here, break retest, you can take it down. This is a daily zone anyway. Strong rejections from this area, but if it doesn't break, then I wouldn't suggest the shots because it could just play inside here. So anyway, YouTube friends, I'm gonna go off. Nothing much now. Trade GJ safe, don't buy at a high. Unless you have your trade confirmations to fill this week. I'm not sure about the move above this area, so if you're looking to take this clean move above, price must close above this resistance area first, then enter on the retest to go up. If not, it's dangerous to me. So yes, that's my 2 cents. Bye bye, I'll see you tomorrow. What's 420?
Hmm?
I don't know. He asked how's 420 in Singapore? What's 420?
Is it something with smoke?
I don't know. Is it something that I don't know?
Wait.
Oh, cannabis. Oh.
I don't know what the polite word.
How's 420? Oh. Weird question. Bye then, see you tomorrow. Bye Freighter. Bye bye the rest. Bye Tiago.